Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is so lovely to meet you. I'm Dina Marais, online business innovation and prosperity mindset coach and mentor. And my channel is all about how to make money online, how to start and build a prosperous soul purpose online business. I work with service-based entrepreneurs and knowledge-based entrepreneurs like coaches, experts, consultants, non-fiction authors, speakers, etc. who are 45 and over and who are starting and building their online business to confidently take their next step, knowing where they are and knowing where they are going, having a clear path to follow. If you are on this journey, then you are in the right place. I strongly believe that building an online business, creating online programs and products, sharing your gifts with the world is not only a vehicle to create wealth and create financial freedom, but also to give your life meaning and purpose. My strength is that I also work with your mindset, prosperity mindset. That's the part of the prosperous online business. You need a prosperity mindset and become the person of who you need to be able to manifest your awesome vision. My clients working with me set up their whole online business from concept to implementation, including the tech stuff. If this is you and you like what you see, then please subscribe to my video, talk to my channel, like the video, click the bell notification, and very importantly, get your free guide on my website, the free guide how to manifest the freedom of money and time. It's on my website dinamarais.com or bit.ly/Dina free guide. I'll put the links below the video. And I'll see you soon.